Today we are going to show you how to make onigiri and orange juice. Let's see how we make the onigiri and orange juice. Let's see how the ingredients, tools, and step by step.
For the onigiri ingredients, there are the fillings like sausage and scrambled egg, the rice, sesame seed, sesame oil, and seaweed. In addition, there is cucumber. And for the orange juice, the ingredients are the orange, the sugar, and then the tools are spoons, knife, and then plate, and we have big bowl and the squeezer. And let's make it.
The steps to make onigiri are as follows. First, we have to mix rice with sesame oil, and then sesame oil, and we have to mix it with a pinch of salt too. And we have to mix it all together.
And pour the sesame seed to the rice. Mix the filling with chili sauce.
Then we have to shape the rice with triangle shape or ball.
This is the result, the shape of the, what is it?
Onigiri.
Onigiri is ready to eat.